These are Uponor ProPEX lead-free brass copper press adapters. When you're transitioning from PEX to copper in commercial or retrofit plumbing systems, this product is a great solution. These fittings connect Uponor PEX-a pipe to standard copper press systems, combining the durability of lead-free brass with the convenience of press technology on the copper side and on the ProPEX expansion on the PEX side. They're available from 1/2 inch up to 3-inch size. These are perfect for commercial and residential plumbing systems, especially where copper risers or manifolds transition to PEX distribution lines, like in mixed material repipes or tenant improvement projects. Remember to not use these fittings with copper sweat connections or crimp systems. It's also important to make sure you're using the right press tool and jaw size for a secure seal on the copper side. Install the ProPEX side with an expansion tool and ring. Then use your press tool to make the copper connection. Make sure you always verify your press fitting has a secure crimp and follow manufacturer torque specs for system pressure ratings. Reliable, fast, and code compliant, ProPEX lead-free brass copper press adapters from Uponor make copper to PEX transitions clean and easy.